Many Airbnb hosts are fooling themselves. Revenue looks good, but profit tells a different story. In this episode, we break down what actually makes a short-term rental profitable and why most hosts get it wrong. Welcome to Smarter Hosting, powered by Host Planet and Guesty. This episode is for Airbnb hosts who want to increase profits, property investors considering short-term rentals, and property managers looking to optimize performance, because successful hosting isn't just about getting bookings, it's about running a profitable business. Tip 1. Revenue is only half the story. A common mistake hosts make is focusing only on how much revenue a property generates, but profitability depends on what's left after expenses. Short-term rentals come with a lot of costs: cleaning, laundry, consumables, maintenance, platform commissions, and more. Professional hosts build detailed financial models before launching a property. They ask a simple question: how much cash will this property generate after everything is paid? Because a property with slightly lower revenue but lower costs can often be far more profitable. Tip 2. Occupancy and pricing strategy matter more than most hosts realize. Profitability isn't just about filling nights, it's about maximizing revenue per night. Professional hosts combine dynamic pricing, seasonal adjustments, and minimum stay strategies to optimize both occupancy and the nightly rate. Tools connected to your property management system, like Guesty, help hosts to integrate pricing tools and monitor revenue performance across their portfolio. The result: better pricing decisions and stronger profitability. Tip 3. The property must stand out. In crowded markets, average properties struggle. Profitable listings usually have something distinctive. That might be a hot tub, a stunning view, a unique design, a prime location, or amenities guests specifically search for, such as free parking and pet-friendly. The goal is to create a property that guests feel excited about booking, because excitement drives higher nightly rates, and higher nightly rates drive profitability. Quick pause, this series is sponsored by Guesty. Guesty helps hosts and property managers run their short-term rental businesses more efficiently by centralizing bookings, automating guest communication, and syncing listings across many platforms. Instead of juggling multiple tools, you can manage everything from a single dashboard. Simply scan the QR code on screen or click the link in the show notes to learn more. And don't forget, Smarter Hosting viewers can get 50% off Guesty Lite for the first 12 months, a system designed for people running up to 3 rentals. All right, back to it. Here's the biggest mistake hosts make. They chase revenue instead of profit. More bookings don't always mean more money. Sometimes they just mean more work. The most successful operators focus on profitable bookings, not just full calendars. Tip 4. Guest experience drives profitability. Reviews directly impact your visibility on Airbnb, and visibility drives bookings. Small operational improvements can dramatically improve guest satisfaction. Clear check-in instructions, spotless cleaning, fast communication, thoughtful amenities. When these systems are automated through a PMS like Guesty, hosts can maintain a consistent experience across multiple properties, and that consistency leads to stronger reviews, and stronger reviews lead to higher occupancy and revenue. Tip 5. Operational efficiency. The most profitable Airbnb businesses are the ones that run smoothly. Professional hosts rely on systems that automate repetitive tasks like messaging workflows, calendar syncing, performance dashboards. And with a platform like Guesty, hosts can track revenue, occupancy, and performance metrics across their entire portfolio. This visibility allows them to identify problems quickly and optimize their business. Efficiency turns a busy hosting operation into a scalable. Let's make this practical. If you run an Airbnb, what's the most profitable month you've ever had? Drop it in the comments and tell us what's the biggest cost in your hosting business right now. If this episode helped you, hit the like button and share it with someone else who needs to see it. And make sure you subscribe to House Planet for more insights into building smarter, more profitable short-term rental businesses. This is Smarter Hosting, powered by House Planet and Guesty. Thanks for watching and happy hosting.